This video is going to show the expanded form of the standard algorithm for subtraction, and we will also pair it with the traditional standard algorithm. So here I have a problem, 500 minus 399. So I'm going to break these numbers out into their expanded form. I have 500s, 0 10s, and 0 1s. Here I'm going to be taking away 300s, 9 10s, and 9 1s. So the way that we have this set up, we need to be taking away 9 1s from 0 1s. Remember, we always start with the ones place when we are subtracting. I cannot take away 9 from 0. If I put up 0 fingers, I don't have anything to take 9 away from. So that means that we have to look into the tens place to help us. Usually we look here and we have some tens that we can decompose into 10 ones. But again, I have 0 in this place value. So what could I do to make this work? Well, I could go to the hundreds place, and I could take one group of 100 away. So if I'm subtracting a group of 100, that means I have 400 left. And I'm going to move that group of 100 over to the tens place. I know that there are 10 groups of 10 in 100. So now we have 10 groups of 10. Now I'm able to take this 10 groups of 10, and I can take one of those groups away, so that would leave me with 90. And I can move that group of 10 over here. So let's look back at what we did there. That was a lot of steps. We took a group of 100 and we broke it apart into 10 tens. We moved that 100 over to the tens place. Then we took one of those groups of 10 and we moved it over to the ones place. If I added all of these values together, 40 plus 90 plus 10, that still makes 500. I didn't take any numbers away. I just redistributed them into the different place values. Now I can go ahead and do my subtraction. I have 10 minus 9, that gives me 1. 90 minus 90 is 0. 400 minus 300 equals 100. So my answer would be 100 plus 1, 101. Let's see what that looks like written in the short standard algorithm form. Again, whenever I'm writing this, I have to write my numbers vertically stacked on top of each other, and I make sure that my ones place are lined up with each other. So just like we did over here, we know that we can't take away 9 from 0. So we are going to go over to the tens place. There's still nothing to take away. So we turn 500s into 400s, just like we did there. Those 400s regroup to make 10 groups of 10. And then I can take one group of 10 and put it into the tens place. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 9 minus 9 equals 0. 4 minus 3 equals 1. My answer here was also 101. What I want you to think about to get ready for tomorrow's lesson, was this the most efficient strategy you could have used? Is there another strategy that would have gone a lot quicker to solve this problem? Think about that, and we will talk about that during our math lesson tomorrow.